an eagle egg. You find the second Dollar Tree. Let's open it. Read the papers. So we got egg. So we got the colors. We have blue and yellow and red. Open our train. It's right here. In the pink. That's a train. You say pink egg. Out there with blue. Look. Now goes your red. Look at it, guys. It turned purple. Yeah, it turned to purple. So for you, yellow. So look at guys. Mom, look. Look, Mama.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna do more colors, blue and yellow. And make it rainbow. Now I have green. It's too great. Now let's pour the red. So this one, and this one green. See, we draw it. Look. It's rainbows. It's really pretty. Do you like it? Yeah. I think it's pretty. We gotta color more, guys. We gotta color more. Now I have this water. Now we go paint it. We go play this one. So this is gonna be color. I got a yellow. So I go bend it. I want yeah, come with this one. So the different color. This is green. Look! What a turn! So that's what we do with. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. So go do more color, guys. And go wipe it off. All done. Okay, very pretty. Now go do bunny.
Why?
Now we have bunny. You did that at the tree. Now let's open it. The first. So the bunny. So the colors. I got two of them, so I do this one. Now I pick the bunny. Look how I look. Look at guys, I draw the eyes. I have blue, guys. I use a yellow. I use a yellow, guys. Now we gotta color the red one. So this is the red. Look, the red colors. So I color red. I call love. This is my Easter bunny. So he does this triangle. So the triangle jumps, the bunny jumps. I color the blue. Look, guys. Blue, blah. So color it. So put it. Ooh, I have green. You like my colors? Leave me a comment. What is your favorite color? Leave me in the comments. Guys, I can see rainbow in it. What's the color rainbow again? It's rainbow. I got 5 flowers. I'll be right back. Look, guys, there are more colors. I don't know, so let me make it. Look at it. This is my bunny, so I got dry it off. And the let's dry. The egg dry. I'll be back. I'm back! Okay, here's my egg. It's dry. It's really cute and I like it. Here's my bunny. It's very cute too. I love it. Alright, so it's time to go.